Let's face it, diesel engines are already some of the most efficient power plants on the road. But that doesn't mean you can't squeeze out even more savings. Gas stations make money when you burn through fuel faster. So they're definitely not going to tell you about the simple tricks that could cut your diesel consumption by 10, 15, even 20%, but I will. Over the next few minutes, I'm revealing 7 diesel fuel saving secrets that most drivers never discover. These aren't complicated modifications or expensive upgrades. They're free or nearly free changes that start saving you money on your very next fill up. Stick around till the end because secret number 7 is something you're probably doing every single week that's wasting fuel. And fixing it takes less than 5 minutes. Let's get into it. Secret number 1, fill up in the morning or late at night. This sounds almost too simple to matter, but the science is real. Diesel fuel, like all liquids, expands when it's warm and contracts when it's cold. Gas stations store fuel in underground tanks. During the heat of the day, especially in summer, that fuel warms up and expands. When you pump warm, expanded diesel, you're getting less energy per liter or gallon than you would with cooler, denser fuel. Fill up early in the morning or late at night when temperatures are lower and the fuel is denser. You'll get slightly more energy content for the same price. Will this make you rich? No. But over a year of fill-ups, those small differences add up. It's free money you're currently leaving on the table. Secret number 2, use a quality fuel injector cleaner every 3 to 6 months. Here's something gas stations will never tell you. The fuel they sell, even the premium stuff, slowly gunks up your injectors over time. Dirty injectors can't spray fuel properly, which means incomplete combustion and wasted diesel going straight out your exhaust. A quality injector cleaner costs less than a fast food meal, but can restore your spray patterns to near factory condition. Cleaner injectors mean better fuel atomization, more complete combustion, and noticeably improved fuel economy. Many diesel owners report 10% plus better mileage after a proper injector cleaning treatment. Over thousands of miles, that small percentage adds up to serious savings. Pour it in when your tank is low, fill up, and drive normally. The cleaner works through your system over the next tank. Do this every 3 to 6 months and you're protecting your injectors while improving efficiency. To be fair, many top-tier fuel brands include detergents that help maintain clean injectors. However, some stations add only the minimum required, so a high-quality injector cleaner remains beneficial. Secret number 3, keep your tires properly inflated. This is one of the biggest fuel wasters that diesel owners completely ignore. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance, which means your engine has to work harder to move the vehicle. That extra work burns extra fuel. Studies show that for every 1 psi drop in tire pressure across all 4 tires, fuel economy decreases by roughly 0.2%. That doesn't sound like much until you realize most drivers are running 5 to 10 psi below optimal pressure without even knowing it. Check your tire pressure at least once a month and always when the tires are cold. The correct pressure for your vehicle is listed on the door jamb sticker, not on the tire's sidewall. That sidewall number is the maximum pressure, not the optimal pressure. Keeping your tires at the right pressure can improve fuel economy by 3% or more. That's real money back in your pocket for 2 minutes of effort once a month. Secret number 4, stop excessive idling. Diesel owners love to let their engines idle, warming up in the morning, sitting in car parks, running the air conditioning while parked. But here's what they don't realize. Idling burns fuel while getting you exactly 0 miles down the road. Modern diesels don't need extended warm-up periods. 30 seconds to a minute is plenty in most conditions. After that, gentle driving warms the engine more efficiently than idling ever could. If you're going to be stationary for more than 3 minutes and you're not in traffic, turning off the engine actually saves fuel. Restarting a modern diesel uses less fuel than idling for a minute or more. Fleet operators have known this for years. Many companies now have strict anti-idling policies because the fuel savings are substantial. Apply the same thinking to your own driving and watch your fuel costs drop. Secret number 5, use cruise control on highways. Your right foot is one of the biggest enemies of fuel economy. Every time you accelerate, even slightly, you burn extra fuel. Most human drivers, including me, are terrible at maintaining consistent speeds, constantly speeding up and slowing down without even realizing it. Cruise control eliminates this problem entirely. It maintains a steady speed with minimal throttle adjustments, which is exactly what diesel engines love. Consistent load, consistent RPM, consistent fuel burn. On highway drives, using cruise control can improve fuel economy by 7 to 14% compared to manual throttle control. That's a massive difference for literally pressing one button. The exception is hilly terrain, where cruise control can actually hurt economy by accelerating hard to maintain speed on inclines. In those conditions, manual control with gentle speed variations is more efficient. Secret number 6, remove unnecessary weight and drag. Every extra kilogram or pound your diesel hauls requires extra fuel to move. It's basic physics, yet many diesel owners drive around with hundreds of pounds of unnecessary weight in their vehicles. Tools you don't need today, equipment from last month's project, random stuff that's been sitting in the bed or boot for weeks. All of it is costing you fuel every single mile. The same applies to aerodynamic drag. Roof racks, cargo boxes, and bed covers that aren't properly designed create wind resistance that forces your engine to work harder at highway speeds. If you've got stuff in the back you don't need, unload it. A lighter, more aerodynamic vehicle is a more fuel-efficient vehicle. For every 45 kilograms or 100 pounds of extra weight you remove, you can improve fuel economy by roughly 1 to 2%. It adds up fast. Secret number 7, stop topping off your tank. This is the fuel-wasting habit that almost everyone does without thinking twice. You're at the pump, the automatic shutoff clicks, but you squeeze in a little more to round up to an even number. Seems harmless, right? Wrong. When you top off after the automatic shutoff, several bad things happen. First, you risk overfilling the tank and forcing liquid fuel into the evaporative emission system, which can cause expensive damage over time. Second, that extra fuel often gets sucked back into the station's vapor recovery system. You paid for it, but it went right back into their tank, not yours. Third, overfilling leaves no room for fuel expansion. On a hot day, that fuel expands and can overflow or force its way into systems it shouldn't reach. When the pump clicks off, stop. Don't try to squeeze in more. You're wasting money and potentially damaging your vehicle. Here's what all these secrets have in common. They cost you nothing but awareness. Gas stations profit when you burn through fuel faster. Tire shops don't remind you to check pressure because underinflated tires wear out faster and need replacing sooner. Nobody in the fuel industry benefits from you being efficient, but you benefit. Every percentage point of improved fuel economy is money that stays in your pocket instead of going into someone else's. Apply even 3 or 4 of these secrets consistently, and you could easily see 10 to 15% better fuel economy. On a diesel that burns through 100 liters or 25 gallons a week, that's serious savings over a year. The best part? None of this requires modifying anything or changing how you drive dramatically. Just small adjustments that add up to big results. If these fuel-saving tips opened your eyes, hit that like button and subscribe for more diesel knowledge that actually saves you money. Your wallet will thank you. Thanks for watching. And if you made it this far, I really appreciate you. Let me know if you have any diesel-related questions. Please do let me know. Until next time.